Alright guys, welcome to another unboxing. I have no idea what's come into here with the package. Nothing has come into. Back to talking lessons. Talking lessons. Let's go back to talking lessons. Here we go. Let's see. What is this crazy thing? Oh, Christoph. Cool down your brown. Cool down your brown. What is it? Another Christoph thing. What was the other one? It said something about nuts and then ballsy. Who knows? Who knows? I'm sure this is not for me. Might have to return a lot of these things. I'm not sure what they do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next one.
Likey.